I've been getting a lot of requests for this tutorial, so in this video I will show you how to organize your materials using the layer manager inside of Cinema 4D. Also, please go ahead and hit the like button to subscribe to my channel if you find my tutorials helpful. Okay, let's begin. I have my scene ready with a few models and materials. If we take a look at my material manager, you can see that I have a lot of materials, and for some, this might feel chaotic. So how can I organize my materials based on the models I have in my viewport? Well, let's start. With my light and scene, I'll go ahead and select all of the materials that are in my studio setup. I'll right-click and select Add to New Layer. Now we'll see all of my selected materials have a color on the top left corner, along with a new tab that contains all of my studio materials. You can also head over to the Layer Manager by clicking on this tab here, or by going to the Windows menu and selecting Layer Manager. We can see our new material layer here. I'll double click on it and rename it Studio. You'll notice the layer name also changes inside the Material Manager window. If I select the No Layer tab, we can see all the materials that haven't been assigned to a layer. If we select the All tab, we'll see all of our materials. Now, I want to create a layer for my soda can materials. My can consists of these two materials, so I'll go ahead and select both of them. I'll right mouse click, and if we hover over the Add to Layer, we can see our studio layer show up. However, I want to create a new layer for these two materials, so I'll select Add to New Layer. A different color will appear on the top left, and a new layer will show up in the Layer Manager. I'll rename it Can. And when I select the Can tab, I'll only see the materials that make up my soda can. What's left now are these three materials, which belong to my coffee cup. I'll select them and add them to a new layer. I'll rename it Coffee Cup. Now, I have all of my materials organized into their own groups. But what if in the future I want to merge some of these groups together? It's simple. Just go to Layer Manager, select the layers you want to merge, right-click, and choose Merge Layers. The selected layers will merge into one, and you can rename it to something else. I'll rename it Group 01. You'll see the changes reflected in the Material Manager. If I select Group 01 tab, I'll now see the materials from the layers I merged together. And there you have it. You now know how to organize your materials inside of Cinema 4D. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching Tutos, your tutorial channel. Till the next one.